This is a video on how to just get some free seeds from the tomatoes that you bought. I have these tomatoes here and they're pretty sweet. I really enjoy them. And let me just take one tomato here. Just slice it open. And as you can see, there's plenty of seeds inside here. What I'm going to do is just take the seeds out and put them on a piece of paper towel. Just spread them out. Now at this point, all I'm going to do is just let these seeds dry up a little bit, and I'm going to plant them in some potting soil with the tissue paper, with the paper towel right on the soil, and just cover them up with a little soil, and we'll see what we'll get. Today's September 11th, and it's been 2 days since I took these seeds from the tomatoes. They dried now a couple of days, and I'm ready to plant them out. So what I have here, I have a plastic container, and I put some potting soil and vermiculite mixture in here. It's just a little bit damp. I'm just going to set the tomato seeds with the paper towel right on it, and I'm just going to backfill with some soil. I'm not going to put much on here. Spread it out a little. Should be enough. I'm just going to work it in a little bit, and I'm just going to tamp it down a little. I find that the seeds come up much stronger when you tamp it down a little. Alright. I'm just going to water it just a little bit because, like I said, I pre-moistened the soil before I put in the plastic tub. And that should be fine. All you need is a little moisture in there. I'll cover it up. I'll put it in a nice warm place. And I'll get back to you on that, see what progress and how long it takes to get them to germinate, and I'll be back with you. It's September 15th. It's been 4 days since I put the paper towel with the tomato seeds in this container, and look at how they're coming up already. I mean, that's great. Just goes to show you that good fresh seeds will really germinate fast. What I'll do is I'll let these go for about another week or so, and when they're a little bit bigger, I'll put them in individual cups, and I'll get a nice root mass on it, and then they'll go into the garden. So, very successful deal here. Free seeds, free tomato plants. Today's September 30th, and the seeds are 20 days old now. As you can see, they really picked up pretty good. They're getting ready for transplanting right now. I'm just going to use a pencil and just pry some of the plants loose from the soil. As you can see, they have a pretty good root system on them. I'm just going to place them here in just a little cup of water. And I'm going to get a few more of them out of here. Alright, I pre-moistened some potting soil, and all I'm going to do is just poke a hole right in the center of it. Take one of my little seedlings and just make sure that the roots go in the hole. I'm just going to bury them down and just firm them in. Do another one. And that's just about it. So it should take about 6 weeks from the actual germination to get them into your garden. What's got to happen is you got to check for your last frost date in your area and back off about 6 to 8 weeks before you start the seeds, and you should be fine. I'm going to let these sit here for a couple of weeks, and they should establish some good roots in there, and I'll throw them in the garden. Well, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and give it a shot. It's really fun, easy to do, and free to make plants.